Blaze stainless steel refrigerator. Another option that you should avoid when researching and purchasing one of these refrigerators would be the Blaze stainless steel refrigerator. The price of this fridge is more affordable than some alternative options, but it's not a great option for what you'll find in this price range. The device features a 4.5 cubic feet internal storage compartment. It's a built-in refrigerator that should be installed into an existing structure in your outdoor kitchen. Even though promoted as a stainless steel outdoor fridge, this fridge does not feature a UL outdoor rating, which means it could start to rust easily when used outside. The Blaze stainless steel refrigerator was designed to allow different types of items to be stored on the inside. This includes beverages like beer, soda, bottles of wine, even food. It comes with a built-in locking system which adds extra security for the items you keep cold. 3 wire shelves are included with 7 different adjustable options to suit your needs.